too.
Liposuction is a very popular procedure, one of the most popular, and yet we've heard that there have been deaths in association with that. So how dangerous is it?
Liposuction is actually extremely safe. Unfortunately, because it seems like it's an easy procedure to perform, non-surgeons try to perform it and get into serious trouble, which can sometimes lead to death. But in terms of procedures performed by, again, board-certified, board-eligible, well-trained plastic surgeons, and it turns out to be one of the safest procedures when it's correctly done.
Should it be used as a way to lose weight?
Yeah, people have a misconception about liposuction. They think it's a weight loss sort of tool, and it's really not super effective on weight loss. It's better for contouring and for problem areas. So if a patient, let's say a patient is fairly thin everywhere, but they have big thighs, it works perfect in a patient like that. Or a patient who has no waist. You know, some women are kind of nice and curvy waisted. Some are genetically straight waisted. On the straight waisted individuals, you know, we can carve out a nice curvy waist. So, but for weight loss, it's not super powerful. We can only take safely about a gallon and a half of fat. If a person comes in 10 gallons fat, you know, that's only going to do a 10% change. And, you know, 10% is not going to be very noticeable. If a person comes in very thin and only has about a gallon of fat, well, then that person's going to notice a huge change. So for a very, obese person, liposuction is actually not the tool of choice. Better to do the bariatric surgeries and or, tummy tucks, body lifts, things like that. For perhaps a thinner person with a problem area, liposuction can be a lifesaver because some of these problem areas will never go away no matter how much a person diets, no matter how much they starve themselves. We've all seen the woman who's just skinny and then has big thighs. There's nothing she can do about it. It has to do with the distribution of fat cells, and it has to do with genetics. We've talked a little bit about that before. And for these kind of problems, liposuction can be the only and the best solution for that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
For more information or to schedule a free consultation, call 702-838-2455 or email Dr. Smith at smithsurgery@aol.com.